today we are at Cummins State Park. They have a little strenuous hike that leads to a waterfall / you can swim in it, but you got to cross multiple rivers. I don't know, climb a little bit, I guess.
I'm so excited!
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Come on, kid, you got it.
Where will you go?
Yeah.
Won't
I
you
sit on your butt.
miss the ones you know? I'll be here hanging
sit on your butt, dude.
waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone. Gone, gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way.
We're going tubing. We're going tubing. We're going tubing. We're going tubing. Got our rafts going down the tunnel of doom. How? Sorry, folks, I'm gonna run into you. I don't know how to get away. Sorry.
No worries.
Thanks. Come on, kid. Nice. Come on, Barry, let's go.
That was freezing. Oh my gosh.
Look at you.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
It's cold!
All right, Bear.
Well, you don't want to underrate it either. Make it over there.
That feels so good.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got